Hey there, my friends. Dan G. Fox here. Thanks for stopping by my channel today. I really appreciate that. Um, and today I've got a topic that truly is absolutely crucial in our industry of network marketing and affiliate marketing. And we all know that people do business with those that they know, they like, and they trust. People will buy because of you more than will buy because of the company or the product. So we have to learn um, how to build strong relationships. I mean, just crucial, just totally crucial. And, and, and so what we're going to do is we're going to apply the principle of know, like, and trust to our network marketing journey. So stick around because I'll be diving deep into practical tips and strategies to help you establish that know, like, and trust factor with your audience. Okay, but before we dive in, if this is your first time to my channel, thanks for being here. You want to subscribe, so go ahead and click on the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of the good goodies that I put out on a regular basis for you. And if after watching this video today you got something out of it, go ahead and click on the like button. That would really, really help me out a lot. And even if you want to comment, I love comments, good, bad, or indifferent. I accept them, and I'll respond. And if you really like something out of this video today, go ahead and share it with somebody that could benefit from it as well. All right, let's go ahead and jump on in. So we're talking about the know, like, and trust factor in network marketing. So let's go with the know factor first. It's essential, primary, to make yourself known to your audience. I mean, if they don't know who you are, they're not going to buy. I mean, people will shop around trying to find somebody that they know, they've seen before, or whatever. So how do you get your audience to know you? Well, one way is storytelling. I mean, authentic storytelling. Share your personal journey in a genuine way. People connect with stories. They can relate when you're telling stories. So let them know who you are, and let them know why you even joined this industry and what it means to you. Let them know why you support and promote the product that you're promoting or the program that you're promoting. Let them get to know you through storytelling. All right. Another way that they're going to get to know you really well is by you being active on social media platforms such as Facebook or X or LinkedIn or wherever, and even YouTube, where your audience hangs out. Um, you know, and so if you're being active, they're going to get to know you. And when I say active, I don't mean making a post once a month or making a comment every couple of weeks. I mean consistently, day in and day out. Just spend a few minutes on your social media profile, connecting with people. I mean, consistency is the key. You got to post regularly. You just got to. And then engage with people that comment on your things. If somebody makes a comment, respond to it. And let them know that you're there. You just make a post and run off. All right. Let your personality shine through in your post. Let it shine through in your comments. Let them get to know you and feel you through what you're posting, what you're saying. All right. So the second leg of the know, like, trust factor is the like factor. So let's move on to that. Because it's not just about being known; it's about being liked. You know, here's, there are people that are very well known that nobody likes, and they wouldn't want to deal with them. I mean, I could think of some of the major media, major businesses that have done some things that everybody stopped liking them and they stopped buying their products or they stopped going to their store. So people have got to like you. If they want to buy from you, they got to like you. All right? Because just face it, you're only one of hundreds of thousands of people in your network marketing business. And so people look around, and if they like you, they tend to want to get involved with you. If they don't like you, they run from you. Okay? So how can you achieve that? How can you get people to like you? Well, one thing is be genuine. Be genuine in how you connect with people, how you talk to them. Show empathy. Uh, understand your audience pain points and struggles. Respond to their comments and messages with a genuine care and empathy. Don't just put anything down, but respond just like if you're talking to a personal friend face to face. Let them know that you're here to help, not just to sell them. People want to buy, but they don't want to be sold to. Okay, so be genuine with them and let them just feel who you are. The other way you're gonna get people to like you is by providing value. Um, share valuable content on your social media um, profiles and social media places. Um, whether it's tips or tricks or motivational messages. You know, you don't want people aren't gonna keep coming to your page if all you're doing is just sell, 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 sell. Buy this product, join this program. You got to provide value to them. All right, you want to become the go-to resource for your audience, and if you're doing that, then they're going to naturally start to like you and trust you. Okay, because you're providing them things that they need. So you got to listen to what your audience is saying when they're commenting. You got to listen to that and understand what they're saying, and then respond to that by providing something that's going to be valuable to them. And then the last piece of the know, like, and trust factor is the trust factor. And I say last but not least. So let's talk about the trust factor. I mean, it really is the foundation of any successful network marketing business. I mean, here's how you can build your trust and maintain your trust. This is important. Be transparent. Be transparent. Transparency is the key to a successful network marketing. I mean, be open about your products. Be truthful about them. The business model. Talk about the potential challenges. I mean, the downfalls. Be open with it. When people see you're transparent, they're more likely to trust you when you recommend things to them. If everything you say is it's good, 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 when you know everything's not good, 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 you're gonna lose their trust. All right. So be real. Be transparent. Let them know the good, bad, and evil of the company. The downfalls and upfalls of the company that you're promoting. And the other way you're gonna build trust is to deliver on your promises. If you say you're going to do something, do it. Whether it's following up with a customer, whether it's providing additional information, whether it's delivering a product, whatever it is, do it. Consistency builds trust. If you say you're going to meet someone on Zoom, be there at the time you say you're going to meet them. Don't forget. Write it down because you got to deliver on your promises. That's how you build trust. So these are real simple things. Know, like, and trust. But they really are the foundation of your network marketing business. So, I mean, there you have it. I mean, know, like, and trust factor in network marketing. What difficult was it? I mean, remember the keys. Be authentic. Show empathy. Make a genuine connection. Become like best friends on your journey. And focus on building real relationships. Real relationships. Get to know these people personally, not just as a client. Okay, it's so different when it's network marketing. You've got to really build that relationship. So that's one of the keys. And if you do all of that, the business is going to follow. Trust me, it's going to follow. So hopefully, my friends, you found this helpful today. And you got something from the comment that I've talked about with the know, like, and trust factor. If you did, then again, I invite you to go ahead and click on the like button so that YouTube sees that people like what I'm putting out. And comment and You can comment by adding something else to what I've said, or you can comment by saying, "Hey, it was great. It's great. I got good stuff out of it." You comment and says, "Well, what a waste of my time." Whatever. Comment, okay? Because the comments help me, one, to understand where you're coming from, but it also helps me to put out more content that can be helpful to you. So yeah, do that. And again, if you've not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe now. Go ahead and click on the subscribe button, and then click on the bell, and make sure you get all my notifications when I put out the videos. So thank you, my friends, for watching today, and you guys be safe out there and have a foxtastic day.